What, are you on your way up to Lowe's to steal more shit?
No, sir. I don't steal.
Huh?
I don't steal, sir.
You did last week.
Not me. No. I've never stole from Lowe's.
No, it wasn't Lowe's, it was Sam's Club.
No.
Right?
No, it was last week.
Okay. Why don't you jump out of the car for me?
It wasn't me.
Okay. Step out of the car.
Why take me out of the car for?
Because I want you out of the car. That's why.
Bad idea! Bad! Alright, that car just took off and he drugged me from the vehicle. He's southbound on Ridge Road. Get out of the fucking car! Get out of the fucking car! Crawl out of the fucking door! Here, I got it. Hold on. Stop. I got it. Don't turn that off. Turn that siren off. And make sure they're okay in that truck. Keep your hands out, dude. Keep your hands out. What? Get it over there. Punch up, Rick. That's right, Fred. All right. Get out of the car. Face down. Face down. Get your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back, dude. Watch the blood. Yeah, you're bleeding? Yeah. What? Glass. We got it all over. We got a squad coming? Yeah. Checking for guns. You got any weapons on you, dude? No. Why you running?
Another one took off over by Geppetto's. On foot.
He was with him?
On foot, yeah. Passenger.
All right.